The importance of medical research. Medical research is the cornerstone of modern medicine and continuous progress in the field of health. Through the methodical study of diseases, treatments, and biological mechanisms, medical research has saved millions of lives and improved the quality of life for people around the world. From the discovery of antibiotics to the development of mRNA vaccines against COVID-19, research has proven to be instrumental in addressing health's greatest challenges. The purpose of this article is to examine the basic principles of medical research, the methods used, the ethical challenges that arise, and future trends shaping the field. In addition, we will analyze the importance of international collaboration and the role of technology in advancing research. What is medical research? Medical research refers to the systematic study of the biological, clinical, and social factors that influence human health. Its aim is to discover new knowledge, improve existing therapeutic methods, and propose strategies for the prevention and management of diseases. Research can be carried out at various levels, from basic laboratory studies to human clinical trials. Types of medical research. Basic research focuses on understanding biological mechanisms and processes. Examples include the study of DNA, proteins, and cellular functions. Clinical research, conducted in humans and intended to evaluate new treatments, diagnostic tools, or preventive methods. Epidemiological research studies the spread and causes of disease in populations. Translational research combines basic and clinical research to transfer findings from the laboratory to clinical practice. The process of medical research. Medical research follows a rigorous and structured process to ensure the reliability and validity of the results. This process includes the following steps. Identification of the research question. Every investigation begins with the identification of a specific question or problem that needs investigation. For example, how does a particular gene mutation affect cancer progression? Design of the study. The research design determines the methodology to be used. This includes sample selection, data analysis, and ethical requirements, data collection and analysis. Data is collected through experiments, questionnaires, or clinical trials. They are then analyzed using statistical methods to draw conclusions. Publication and critical review. Research results are published in scientific journals and subjected to critical evaluation by other experts. This process ensures the reliability of the findings. Ethical challenges in medical research. Medical research, although vital, often raises important ethical issues. The need for a balance between scientific progress and the protection of participants' rights is central to ethical research. Consent and autonomy. One of the fundamental ethical issues is consent. Every participant in a clinical trial must be fully informed of the risks, benefits, and purposes of the research before giving consent. This principle protects individual autonomy and ensures that participation is voluntary. Justice and equality. Research must be fair and not exploit vulnerable groups. For example, conducting trials in low-income countries without ensuring the benefits to the local population is ethically controversial. Protection of personal data. With the increase in the use of big data and artificial intelligence in research, privacy protection is becoming increasingly important. Patient data must be anonymized and used only for the agreed purposes. Supervision and regulation. To ensure that research is conducted ethically, there are institutions such as bioethics committees that review studies and ensure that they meet ethical standards. The role of technology in medical research. Technology has redefined the way medical research is conducted, offering new tools and methods to explore human health. Genomics and personalized medicine. Genome analysis has opened new horizons in the understanding of diseases. Through genomics, researchers can identify genetic variants that increase risk for specific diseases and develop personalized treatments. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning are used to analyze large data sets, predict disease progression, and discover new drugs. For example, AI has helped in the rapid development of vaccines against COVID-19. Biomaterials and implants. The development of biomaterials and implants has improved treatment options for patients with chronic conditions. Examples include artificial pancreases and kidneys that can replace the functions of human organs. Digital health and remote monitoring. The use of digital tools such as mobile devices and apps enables real-time patient health monitoring and real-time data collection. The importance of international cooperation. Medical research is a global endeavor that requires collaboration between countries, cultures, and scientific communities. Sharing knowledge, resources, and technologies is essential to addressing global challenges such as pandemics and chronic diseases. Global initiatives. Examples of international initiatives include the World Health Organization, WHO, and the Human Genome Project, which have coordinated efforts to fight disease and understand the human genome. Obstacles and challenges. Despite the prospects, international cooperation faces obstacles such as political differences, economic inequalities, and differences in research legislation. Future trends in medical research. Medical research is constantly evolving, with new technologies and approaches shaping the future of the field. Here are some of the most important trends expected to affect research in the coming decades. Genomics and gene editing. Genomics continues to be one of the most exciting areas of research. Techniques such as CRISPR-Cas9 enable precise gene editing, opening up new possibilities for treating genetic diseases. However, these technologies also raise ethical issues, such as the possibility of creating designer babies. Immunotherapy and cancer immunotherapy has redefined cancer treatment, using the patient's immune system to fight cancer cells. Techniques such as CAR T-cell therapies have shown impressive results in leukemia and lymphoma patients. Digital health and telemedicine. Digital health, including telemedicine, has grown rapidly, particularly since the COVID-19 pandemic. These technologies enable remote diagnosis, monitoring and treatment, improving access to medical services, especially in remote areas. Biomaterials and mechanical instruments. The development of biomaterial and mechanical organs, such as artificial kidneys and pancreases, offers new hope for patients with chronic diseases. These technologies combine biology with engineering to create functional organs that can replace or support the functions of human organs. Research in neurological diseases. Research into neurological diseases such as Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease is one of the most active areas of modern medicine. New technologies such as optogenetics offer hope for understanding and treating these complex diseases. The role of public health in medical research. Public health plays a critical role in medical research as it connects scientific knowledge with practical application to improve the health of populations. Epidemiological research and prevention. Epidemiological research studies the spread and causes of disease in populations, providing critical information for disease prevention and control. Examples include studying the spread of COVID-19 and developing strategies to control the pandemic. Education and awareness. Public health plays an important role in educating the public and raising awareness about health issues. This includes campaigns for vaccination, cancer prevention, and promoting healthy lifestyles. Policies and regulations. Public health is directly linked to the development of policies and regulations that protect the health of populations. This includes regulating clinical trials, protecting patient privacy, and promoting health equity. Challenges and opportunities. Medical research faces many challenges, but at the same time offers enormous opportunities to improve human health. Funding and resources. Research requires significant resources, including funding, equipment, and human resources. A lack of funding can limit progress, particularly in low-income countries. Ethical issues. Rapid advances in research raise important ethical issues, such as the use of genomics, the protection of privacy, and the equitable distribution of benefits. Collaboration and innovation. Collaboration between researchers, physicians, industries, and governments is essential to advance research. Innovation, particularly in technology, offers new possibilities for addressing health challenges. Practical applications of medical research. Medical research is not limited to laboratories and academic studies. It has direct application in clinical practice, improving diagnostic methods, treatments, and prevention strategies. New treatments and drugs. One of the most important applications of research is the development of new treatments and drugs. For example, research in the field of immunotherapy has led to the development of treatments that specifically target cancer cells, offering new hope to cancer patients. Improved diagnostic methods. Research has greatly improved diagnostic methods. Techniques such as magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, positron emission tomography, PET, and genetic testing allow accurate diagnosis of diseases at much earlier stages. Prevention and public health research has led to the development of prevention strategies such as vaccination campaigns and awareness programs for cancer and chronic diseases. These initiatives have saved millions of lives around the world. Technological innovations. Research has led to the development of technological innovations such as surgical robots, implants, and digital health services. These technologies have improved the quality of medical services and increased access to healthcare. The role of education in medical research. Education is a critical factor in advancing medical research. Without proper training, researchers could not develop the skills and knowledge needed to advance science. Training of researchers. The training of researchers includes the acquisition of knowledge in various fields, such as biology, chemistry, statistics, and ethics. This training takes place in universities, research institutes, and clinical centers. Continuing education. Medical research is constantly evolving, and researchers must keep abreast of new methods and technologies. Continuing education through seminars, conferences, and scientific journals is essential for researchers to remain on the cutting edge of science. Education of the public education is also important. Understanding the basic principles of research and its benefits can increase public acceptance and support for research. Methods of knowledge. Dissemination. Dissemination of knowledge is a critical factor in the success of medical research. Without effective dissemination of findings, research cannot be translated into practical applications. Scientific journals. Scientific journals are the main platform for publishing research findings. Journals such as Nature, Science, and The Lancet disseminate research to a global audience. Sessions and seminars provide a platform for researchers to share their research and discuss the latest developments in their field. Open access. The open access movement aims to make research findings accessible to everyone, without the need for subscription or payment. This helps spread knowledge and promote collaboration. Challenges of modern medical research. Medical research faces many challenges that can affect its progress and effectiveness. These challenges include economic, ethical, and technological factors. Funding and financial constraints. Research requires significant financial resources, including funding for laboratories, equipment, and staff. A lack of funding can limit progress, particularly in low-income countries or in areas that are not considered a priority. Ethical issues. Rapid advances in research raise important ethical issues, such as the use of genomics, the protection of privacy, and the equitable distribution of benefits. The need for a balance between scientific progress and the protection of participants' rights is central to ethical research. Technological challenges. Although technology offers new possibilities, its rapid evolution can create challenges, such as the need for continuous training and the management of large volumes of data. Political and legislative challenges. Research can be affected by political and legislative decisions, such as restrictions on funding or regulations on the use of certain technologies. These decisions may slow down or block the progress of the investigation. The role of politics in medical research. Politics plays an important role in shaping the future of medical research. Governments and international organizations can support research through funding, regulations, and policies that promote innovation. Funding and support. Government funding is critical to support research, particularly in key areas that do not attract commercial interest. Examples include research into rare diseases and the development of new treatments. Regulations and regulation. Regulations ensure that research is carried out safely and ethically. This includes the protection of participants, the validity of results, and the protection of privacy. International cooperation policy can promote international cooperation, which is essential to address global challenges such as pandemics and chronic diseases. Examples include the World Health Organization, WHO, and the Human Genome Project. Strategies for promoting research. To meet the challenges and advance research, it is necessary to adopt strategies that enhance innovation, collaboration, and funding. Strengthening of financing. Increasing funding for research, particularly in key areas, is essential to advancing science. This can be achieved through government grants, private investment, and international initiatives. Education and training. Investing in the education and training of researchers is critical to developing new skills and knowledge. This includes supporting young researchers and promoting continuing education. Promotion of cooperation. Collaboration between researchers, physicians, industries, and governments is essential to advance research. This can be achieved through international collaborations, research networks, and consortia. Innovation and technology. Encouraging innovation and the use of new technologies is critical to advancing research. This includes supporting research in areas such as artificial intelligence, genomics, and biotechnology. Future perspectives of medical research. Medical research is constantly evolving, and future prospects are promising. With new technologies and approaches, research has the potential to transform the way we treat disease and improve the quality of life for people around the world. Personalized medicine. Personalized medicine is one of the most exciting areas of future research. Based on genetic information and other biological data, doctors will be able to tailor treatments to the needs of each patient. This will lead to more effective treatments with fewer side effects. Artificial intelligence and big data. Artificial intelligence, AI, and big data analysis have the potential to redefine research. These technologies can analyze vast amounts of data to discover patterns, predict disease progression, and develop new drugs. Genomics and gene editing. Genomics and gene editing will continue to be central pillars of research. Techniques such as CRISPR-Cas9 will enable precise editing of DNA, opening up new possibilities for treating genetic diseases. Biomaterials and implants. The development of biomaterials and implants will continue to improve treatment options for patients with chronic conditions. These technologies could replace or support the functions of human organs. Digital health and telemedicine. Digital health and telemedicine will continue to develop. improving access to medical services, and enabling real-time monitoring of patient health. The role of society in supporting research. Society plays a critical role in supporting medical research. Public participation, awareness, and support from governments and organizations are essential to promote scientific progress. Audience participation. Public participation in research, whether as volunteers in clinical trials or as research supporters, is critical to the success of studies. Public awareness and education can increase acceptance and support for research. Support from governments. Governments can support research through funding, regulations, and policies that promote innovation. This includes supporting basic research, promoting international collaboration, and protecting patient privacy. Role of organizations. Non-governmental organizations, NGOs, and charities play an important role in supporting research. These organizations can fund research, raise public awareness, and advocate for patients. Specific examples of research applications. Medical research has led to many practical applications that have improved people's lives. Here are some specific examples. Antibiotics and antimicrobial resistance. The discovery of antibiotics was one of the most important successes of medical research. However, antimicrobial resistance has become a serious threat to public health. Research is now focused on developing new antibiotics and alternative treatments, such as bacteriophages, vaccines, and pandemics. The development of vaccines has saved millions of lives. The recent development of mRNA vaccines against COVID-19 is an excellent example of how research can quickly respond to global threats. These vaccines use new technology that can be applied to other diseases. Treatments for chronic diseases. Research has greatly improved treatments for chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. For example, the use of insulin for diabetes and statins to lower cholesterol have saved many lives. Mental health. Mental health research has led to the development of new treatments and drugs for illnesses such as depression, anxiety, and schizophrenia. In addition, awareness and education have helped reduce the stigma surrounding mental illness. Additional ethical issues in research. Rapid advances in medical research are constantly raising new ethical issues that need careful consideration. Use of animals in research. The use of animals in research is a controversial topic. While animal experiments have led to important discoveries, there are concerns about the ethics of this practice. Researchers must follow strict rules to ensure the humane treatment of animals. Genomics and privacy. Genomic research offers many benefits, but it also raises privacy concerns. Genetic data is highly sensitive and can be used for discrimination or exploitation.